For centuries, the story of astronomy has been told with a European accent. Copernicus, Galileo, Kepler, the heroes of the scientific revolution. But what sparked that revolution? What knowledge paved their way? The truth is, for over 600 years, while Europe was in its dark ages, the most advanced astronomers on Earth were working in the Islamic world. They didn't just preserve ancient knowledge, they revolutionized it. They built the world's first true observatories, invented groundbreaking tools, and mapped the stars with astonishing accuracy. This is the story of how faith, reason, and a command to consider the heavens launched a golden age of cosmic discovery. It began in Baghdad, the intellectual capital of the world. Under the Abbasid caliphs, a massive translation movement was underway. The works of Ptolemy, Aristotle, and the Indian Aryabhata were sought out, translated into Arabic, and studied. But this wasn't just an academic exercise. It was driven by a divine imperative. The Quran is filled with verses urging believers to reflect upon the universe, to determine the direction of prayer, Qibla, the times of daily prayers, Salat, and the beginning of lunar months, like Ramadan. Precise astronomical knowledge was a religious necessity. Pioneers like Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi compiled the first major Islamic astronomical tables. His work didn't just bear his name, it gave us the word algorithm. He was laying the mathematical groundwork for predicting the motion of the heavens. To master the sky, they needed masterful tools. The most iconic was the astrolabe, a portable computer made of brass. It was a model of the universe one could hold in their hand. Its sophistication was unmatched for centuries. With these tools, they began to correct the ancients. Al-Battani, one of the greatest observational astronomers, made remarkably precise calculations of the solar year. His data would later be essential for a man named Nicholas Copernicus. Then came a revolution in scientific collaboration. The first large-scale, state-funded observatories. The most famous was the Maragay Observatory. Here, Nasir al-Din al-Tusi and his team made observations that would challenge the flawed Ptolemaic model. While some looked at motions, others were creating a new map of the sky. Al-Sufi's Book of Fixed Stars was a masterpiece. He didn't just copy Greek star catalogs, he refined them, adding his own observations and documenting fuzzy nebulae that were actually other galaxies, unseen by European eyes for another 600 years. The pinnacle of Islamic observational astronomy came with a king, Ulugh Beg of Samarkand. His observatory was a temple to astronomy, and his star catalog was so precise it rivaled those made centuries later. So what happened to this 600-year head start? The knowledge didn't vanish. It traveled. Through translations in Spain and Sicily, the works of al-Battani, al-Tusi, al-Sufi, and others found their way into the libraries of Europe. When Copernicus argued for a heliocentric model, he used mathematical models that were identical to those developed by Nasir al-Din al-Tusi. This was not a coincidence, it was a direct transfer of knowledge. The European scientific revolution was built on the shoulders of Muslim giants. The legacy of Islamic astronomy is not just in history books, it's in the words we use. Algebra, algorithm, zenith, azimuth, all from Arabic. It's in the very method of precise empirical observation that defines modern science. The story of Islamic astronomy is a powerful reminder that scientific progress is a universal human endeavor, fueled by curiosity and, in this case, a faith that saw the study of the cosmos as an act of worship. It's a story of how charting the heavens helped to chart the course of human knowledge itself. Which golden age of Islam should we explore next? Islamic medicine? Mathematics? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more documentaries on the untold stories of history.